Hi friends, welcome to First Motors. Today I review Avante 2010. Little old enough, but the condition is great. The mileage of 108,000 kilometers only. Very young, right? Very young mileage. So it's white color. Check it out. Headlight. The headlight. Let's take most of them. Quite clean. Okay. Tire. Well, new tire. Okay, new tire. Very good. White color in general, very clean and very nice. Okay, the back tire also, wow, it's new tire. So you don't need to change tires. That's it in front, okay? Okay, the front also quite clean and nice, okay? Avante. The rear end also clean and nice, all working well. Avante GDI rear end all good. Inside, all tires I told you already, it's all new tires, good. Inside, in general, very clean and very nice. Okay. This one, accident-free car. Let's check inside. Okay. Okay, it's auto side mirror. The buttons are quite okay. The leather seat also good condition. Nice. Okay. The back seat also quite clean and nice. Actually, this car is maintained very well. It's a nice one. Let's go in. Okay, auto side mirror, it's working well. Okay, let's check the radio. Okay, radio is working well. USB. Quite good, right? And then now air condition is already on. So cool air is coming. Okay, dual aircon, right and left. Okay, heated seat, working well. Okay, off and auto. Okay, and let's just shift gear. Okay, rear, very clean rear camera. Shifting gear, very fine. It's good. Everything in perfect condition, but this one, okay, not smart key, ordinary key, okay? But the price is very good, okay? As you see here, 108,369 kilometers only, very low mileage, okay? No engine check, no error codes. Okay, let's have test driving. Let's go. Okay, also, I drove this one more than an hour. Okay, express highway. It's a quite good condition. Okay, above the bump. No sounds. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Very good. Engine good. Engine sounds also is quite powerful as well. As you know, the Avante is a very economic car. You can drive for a few years, several years, no problem to drive. Okay, no worry. For 20 years, still very young. You know, when you export these cars, they drive actually up to 30 years in African countries. Okay, so. This one only 15 years old, still okay, okay? Okay, as we have super test driving, this car is in a good condition. Okay friends, this 2010 model, a little old. Okay, the age of car depends on mileage actually. So this mileage, 108,000 kilometers, only very young mileage, okay? So still running condition, engine also life. I think it's very fine, very okay. So you can come and take it, this one. Feel free to come. Okay. I think that this car will be sold out very quickly. So first come, first serve. Thank you. Goodbye.